Okay, what we got here is a 12 pack. It's basically a 2 drive-in 8 amplifier. It's just that these originally had much smaller pills, probably about 70 or 80 watt pills in there, and somebody put the 100 watt pills in. And I'm sure their thought was that they're going to get much more power outputs. The problem is just because you put a bigger rated part doesn't mean that output tuning is going to be matched correctly for that pill. And this one actually has too many windings. And then they got this section right here. All the output power from these sections is combined and goes through these 2 silver mica capacitors. And I just foresee that's going to blow. Needless to say, I don't want to work on it. I'm getting tired of dealing with these hodgepodges. But the thing that I do find interesting is this little circuit board. This is the exact same circuit board they use in the Gray 150s and the Gray 300s. And I think there's even a Fox 400 that uses this circuit board. And it's got a built-in receive amplifier, and the keying circuit's way over here on this side. The problem is there's no labeling on the parts on the circuit board, although we was able to find the schematics. So at least we got some schematics to go by, although there was a mistake in the schematics right in the middle there. I redrew it on my copy. And I was actually trying to, I think it had some 3906 transistors in there. May have been from the factory, but I switched to the 2907s. I think they're a little bit better quality transistor. But I took it upon myself to draw a parts placement diagram. And then we can get a couple close-up clear pictures. That's where all the parts belong. Most interesting thing is the inductors are actually military spec inductors, and their markings indicate 18 microhenry. So basically with a mistuned audio, pegging 1,000 watt scale. Hey, 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 hey. Says a little bit over 1,000 watts on the digital. It's working, but you'd think 8 pills would do a heck of a lot better than that, but probably would if it was designed right.